Part 4, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. So, when the horse had come back, they tied him to the barn of a farmer named Fatvizian. Now, Aram tells him, "How do you do it?" Murad tells him that he has a way with the horses. He can deal them very nicely. So Aram very innocently asks him, "How do you do it?" "I have an understanding with the horse," he said. "Yes, but what sort of understanding?" I said. "A simple and honest one," he said. "Well," I said, "I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse." तो अरम बड़े इनोसेंटली कहता है, मैं भी चाहता हूँ मेरी एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए हॉर्सेस के साथ. I went home and ate a hearty breakfast, and he had a very good breakfast when he went home. Hearty means substantial, अच्छा सा. That afternoon, my uncle Khosrov came to our house for coffee and cigarettes. He sat in the parlor. Parlor is a sitting room, or you can say a drawing room, sipping and smoking and remembering the old country. They were remembering their old country. Then another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro, an Assyrian who, out of loneliness, had learned to speak Armenian. Now, another visitor came to his house, John Byro, the farmer, who he was from Assyria, another country. And out of loneliness, because he was also lonely here, he learned to speak Armenian. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. And then at last, he said, sighing sadly means very sadly, he said, "My white horse, which was stolen last month, is still gone. I cannot understand it." And he tells in front of Uncle Khosrov that his horse is lost. My uncle Khosrov became very irritated and shouted, "It's no harm. What is the loss of a horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? What is this crying over a horse?" तो उसके अंकल खसरव कहते हैं, "अरे हमने तो अपना होमलैंड अपना घर खो दिया है, एक छोटे से हॉर्स पे क्या रोना?" "That may be all right for you, a city dweller, to say," John Byro said. जॉन बायरो ने कहा, तुम्हारे लिए ठीक है, तुम्हें हॉर्स की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है, तुम सिटी में रहते हो. बट वॉट अबाउट माई सरे? उसने कहा, मेरे सरे का क्या होगा? सरे होता है कैरेज जिसमें 4 व्हील्स होते हैं, जो हॉर्स के पीछे लगती है गाड़ी. वॉट गुड इज़ अ सरे विदाउट अ हॉर्स? पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, माई अंकल खसरव रोड. और अंकल खसरव कहते हैं उसके पे नो अटेंशन इन इज़ यूजुअल टोन. "आई वॉक 10 miles टू गेट हेयर," जॉन बायरो सेड. जॉन बायरो कहते हैं कि मैं 10 miles चलकर यहाँ पर आया हूँ. "यू हैव लेग्स," माई अंकल खसरव शाउटेड. और अंकल ने कहा कि तुम्हारे तो लेग्स हैं. "माई लेफ्ट लेग पेन्स मी," द फार्मर सेड. और फार्मर कहता है मेरा तो जो लेफ्ट लेग है वो पेन करता है. पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, माई अंकल खसरव रोड. "That horse cost me $60," the farmer said. "I spit on money," my uncle said. Spit means थूकना. कहते मैं तो पैसों को. It means that he doesn't give any importance to money. He got up and stalked out of the house, slamming the screen door. And when Uncle Khosrov did not pay any attention, he just uh, repeated his usual dialogue, "Pay no attention to it, it's no harm." He got angry and he stalked out of the house. Stalked means walked in a proud manner, and he shut the door with a noise. My mother explained. "He has a gentle heart," she said. "It is simply that he is homesick and such a large man." And my mother tried to explain कि वो homesick है, उसको अपना home याद आता है, and he's such a good man. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. He was sitting under a peach tree trying to repair the hurt wings of a young robin which could not fly. So he was repairing the wings of a bird, robin. He was talking to the bird actually. "What is it?" he said. "The farmer, John Byro," I said. "He visited our house. He wants his horse. You have had it a month." उसने कहा कि तुमने एक have had it a month. It means horse. तुमने एक month के लिए horse को रखा. "I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride." अब आराम कहता है अब तुम उसे "you will not return it till he learns to ride." "It will take you a year to learn to ride," my cousin Murad said. "We could keep the horse a year," I said. आराम कहता है हम एक साल तो horse को रख सकते हैं. My cousin Murad jumped to his feet. "What?" he roared. "Are you inviting a member of the Garuglian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner." वो कहता है नहीं, तुम क्या मुझे भड़का रहे हो कि मैं उसको स्टील करूँ और हॉर्स तो वापस जाएगा. "When?" I said. "In 6 months at the latest." तो मुराद कहता है 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर हम उसे लौटा देंगे. He threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice, but at last flew away high and straight. And he saw that robin, the bird, he flew at last. Early every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. और अगले 15 दिन तक 2 weeks they took the horse from that barn. Deserted means lonely vineyard से वो निकालते थे, राइड करते थे और उसे छुपा देते थे. And every morning the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapevines and small trees and threw me and ran away. और हर बार जब भी अरम की चांस आती थी, हॉर्स क्या करता था? ही लीप्ड ओवर द ग्रेप वाइन्स. वो ग्रेप वाइन्स पे जंप करता था और स्मॉल ट्रीज़ को जंप करता था और उसको नीचे गिरा देता था. Nevertheless, I hoped in time to learn to ride the way my cousin Murad rode. And all the same, nevertheless means all the same, अरम होप करता था कि वो कब इसको चलाना, उसको राइड करना सीखेगा. One morning, on the way to Fedway's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Byro, who was on his way to town. और एक मॉर्निंग रास्ते में उन्हें जॉन बायरो ही मिल जाता है. लेट मी डू द टॉकिंग, माई कज़न मुराद सेड. आई हैव अ वे विद फार्मर्स. और मुराद बड़ी सुपीरियॉरिटी से कहता है, लेट मी डू द टॉकिंग, मुझे बोलने देना क्योंकि मुझे डील करना आता है. आई हैव अ वे विद फार्मर्स. आई नो हाउ टू डील विद फार्मर्स. गुड मॉर्निंग जॉन बायरो, माई कज़न मुराद सेड टू द फार्मर. द फार्मर स्टडीड द हॉर्स ईगरली. नाउ जॉन बायरो ही सॉ हिज हॉर्स. और उसने उसको बड़े अच्छे से स्टडीड मीन्स एग्जामिन किया कि कैसा हॉर्स है, किसका हॉर्स है. Good morning, son of my friends, he said. What is the name of your horse? My Heart, my cousin Murad said in Armenian. और मुराद ने उसका नाम बताया, My Heart. A lovely name, John Byro said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? और जॉन बायरो कहते हैं, मुझे पक्का, he sweared that he guarantees ये वही हॉर्स है जो उसका चोरी हुआ है. कहता देखो मैं इसका मुंह खोल कर देखूँ. Of course, Murad said. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Tooth for tooth, he said. उसने कहा, अरे tooth for tooth, same teeth. I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. The fame of your family for honesty is well known to me. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. वो कहता है, I swear it is my horse. वो कहता है पूरे गारंटी के साथ मैं कहता हूँ ये मेरा हॉर्स है, अगर मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को नहीं जानता. द फेम ऑफ योर फैमिली फॉर ऑनेस्टी इज़ वेल नोन. वो कहता है मुझे पता है हाउ योर फैमिली इज़ फेमस फॉर ऑनेस्टी. येट द हॉर्स इज़ द ट्विन माई हॉर्स. कहता फिर भी ये जो घोड़ा है बिल्कुल ट्विन है मेरे हॉर्स का. अ सस्पिशियस मैन वुड बिलीव हिज आइज इंस्टेड ऑफ हिज हार्ट. कह रहे कोई भी सस्पिशियस मैन जो होगा, जो डिस्ट्रस्ट वाला आदमी होगा, वो अपनी आइज़ को अब बिलीव करेगा, हार्ट को नहीं. गुड डे माई यंग फ्रेंड्स. और वो एकदम समझ जाता कि ये उसका हॉर्स है.